Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 3rd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody did a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather. Got the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to take a look at the tropics and also portions of the lower 48. We're going to start off with this tropical wave here off the west coast of Africa. You can see it's starting to get its act together. You can see as it continues to push on off into the MDR region. When it gets from about right here to over here to northeast of Leeward Island, it has a 50 to 60% chance of development over the next 7 days. We'll show you that at the end of the video. We got some scattered activity off the west coast of Africa as well. You can see it trying to move off into the Atlantic coastal water. You got a little tropical wave just east of the Bahamas. Here's Amilda. You can see it's got like a winter storm look to it as it continues to meander over the north central tropical Atlantic. A little bit of activity off the southeast coast, the east coast of Bahamas, also over toward Cuba and the Dominican Republic, Haiti area. Scattered activity over South America, Central America. You got activity starting to kind of flare up here in portions of the Caribbean Sea, Southern Gulf, also toward the Yucatan Peninsula. Got more tropical storms and hurricanes over here in the Eastern Pacific. Got a little bit of activity over the Northern Gulf, stretching into Mississippi over toward Alabama and Georgia. A little bit more activity across southeastern Canada, back in through North Dakota, and also back into Montana, and down toward the Four Corners region into portions of Arizona. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and make sure you subscribe also. And thank you for tuning into the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Appreciate your support. Please continue to support my channel and make it grow. Alrighty, here's your Saturday forecast. Alright, we got showers and thunderstorms off the southeast coast, all the way down to the east coast of Florida, northwest Bahamas, the northern Gulf to southeast Texas, southern Georgia, back into southern Louisiana. Got some flash flooding and heavy rain. East coastern portion of Florida, got some mixed precipitation, portion of Washington State over to Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Nevada, Utah, and Colorado region. Shower activity in Washington, Oregon State. Even got some thunderstorms and showers stretching from Utah to Colorado to Nebraska to North and South Dakota, also South Canada region as well. Got more shower activity from northwestern North Dakota back into Montana, and also a little bit in Idaho regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's see if we can get to your Sunday outlook here. Okay, should be coming up here in a minute. Okay, we still waiting on it. Okay, now we got thunderstorms and showers for central and southern South Carolina, Atlantic coastal water, northwest Bahamas, Florida Keys, northern Gulf, from Georgia to southeast Texas, then again from Kansas up to Wisconsin, up here around Lake Superior, South Canada region as well. You got some shower activity from Minnesota to the Dakotas, down in Wyoming, portion of Colorado, mixed precipitation in portion of Montana, Idaho, Utah, Wyoming, and also portion of Colorado region as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright. Let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map. We're locating across the nation. And as you can see here, we got some coastal flood advisory over eastern North Carolina, high surf advisories here along the coastal of South Carolina, more coastal flood advisory for southeastern Louisiana, air quality alerts down across South Texas, a little bit in Illinois and Missouri, red flag warnings up here for portions of Nebraska and the portion of South Dakota and Wyoming. We have winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings in effect for Montana and also in the portion of Wyoming. Wind advisories for eastern Montana. We got one county in portions of Washington State with a winter storm warning, freeze warnings over southern areas of Oregon, northern California. We got more wind advisories down in portions of southern California, portion of Utah, northern Arizona, and southwestern portion of Colorado. Got some freeze warnings also in effect. Freeze watches in effect for portions of Colorado. These are freeze warnings, freeze warnings in areas of northern California, southern Oregon. Alright, we got Smallcraft Advisory gale warning from up here in the Virginia coast to the east coast of Florida, west coast of Florida to southeast Texas. Got some flood watches also in effect for areas of east coast Florida. And then we got more Smallcraft Advisory gale warning from Southern California to Oregon State. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good around the Alaska region as well. Got some got some coastal flood advisories there, and also some high surf warnings along the Alaska coastal areas as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Okay, we have a marginal risk of severe weather from Denver, Colorado, all the way up to Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks. General thunderstorms up here towards the northwest Montana, from Minnick all the way to Albuquerque area. General thunderstorm from Brownsville to Miami to Charleston, South Carolina. Just some general thunderstorm. Tornado probability looks like this: less than 2% all area. Damaging winds 5%. Large hail 5%. Alright, let's move on to your severe weather outlook for your Sunday. Marginal risk from around Liberal to Garden City to east of McCook, east of McCook, and also east of Kobe. General thunderstorm from Columbia, South Carolina to Charleston to Miami, all the way to New Orleans. From Amarillo, Texas, up to Minneapolis, LaCroix, and a little bit in portions of Fargo to Grand Forks areas as well. Probability looks like this: 5%. Now, let's move on to the tropics. And it's going to look something like that. Here's that system here. There's that system moving off the coast I showed you in the video. 50% chance of development at 2 p.m. It may be up to a 60% by now. There's that 10% chance of development over the Bahamas and South Florida. Otherwise, we're going to continue to monitor the tropics because this looks like it becomes Jerry. This one looks like it has a very low chance of development here over the Bahamas and South Florida. Alrighty. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.